Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Open the Calendar app from your home screen or app library on iPhone 16 Pro Max. The app opens to the current date and shows events for today. Use the bottom toolbar to switch between day, week, month, and year views quickly. Pinch to zoom and swipe left or right to move one day or 1 week at a time. Tap the search icon to find events by title, location, or contact. Tap Calendars at the bottom to show or hide specific calendars for focused planning. Tap the plus button to create a new event and enter a title and location. Choose a start time and an end time or toggle all day for whole day events. Set a travel time buffer to estimate commute and get alerts earlier. Add alerts like 15 minutes or 1 day before so you prepare on time. Use invitees to add contacts by email and set permissions for editing or responding. Tap Calendar to assign events to a specific calendar, like work or personal. Enable iCloud sync in settings to keep calendars updated across devices automatically. Add accounts like Google, Exchange, or other Cal DAV providers to consolidate schedules in one app. Subscribe to external calendars using a URL to follow schedules like sports or holidays. Use Siri to add events by voice and use natural phrases for time and dates like tomorrow at 3 p.m. Toggle time zone support in settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.